Yes, friends, you all know that computer science evolved from mathematics, electrical engineering and electronics and statistics. Early 90s, computer science became a core branch until 2000. And thanks to the internet and thanks to the researchers, today we are having various specializations in computer science itself. And some of the IITs, some of the IIITs, some of the NITs, and some of the deemed universities like Geetham, we are offering, apart from BTech's computer science and engineering, many specializations. Friends, try to understand, you have a lot of doubts about whether to choose a computer science program or to choose a specialization. So my suggestion will be, for undergraduate program, always strong in basic fundamental subjects in computer science, and you can choose any one of these specializations as electives. So most of the universities and colleges offer these specializations as an electives. But AICTE has given a choice to the universities and institutes to offer as a program. For example, Geetham University, this year they're offering, from past 2 years, we are offering BTech CSC with AI/ML as a degree. Similarly, BTech CSC with cyber security, BTech CSC with IoT, BTech CSC with data science. Like that, we are offering some specializations along with BTech. So your degree will be given as BTech Computer Science with specialization AI/ML. So what are you going to study in AI/ML? And what is the advantage? See, there are some students and parents that are very well educated. They know that the future is specialization. I too agree. But 80% of the parents and students don't have the minimum knowledge about what are these specializations, what their son or daughter is interested. It is initial. So I know that till intermediate, most of the students were hand-holded by the reputed colleges like Narayana, Chaitanya, and other ascent like institutes where good teachers used to handhold the students because of their age, and parents also, they have taken a lot of care. So most of the parents doesn't have the knowledge about the specializations, but nothing to worry much. If you choose a general BTech computer science program, students also have option to choose these specializations as an electives. So 85% of the syllabus are common, and remaining specializations in general computer science you can study under elective. So there are some advantages and disadvantages if you choose only specialization like BTech AI/ML or BTech cybersecurity or BTech IoT, because you are going to study completely a particular specialization but not some of the other courses. So it is choice. You need to make a choice between which one you need to opt. That is one interesting aspect. Other interesting aspect, many of the students' mind or parents' mind is whether we need to study in IIT or NIT or GIT, that is Geetham School of Technology, GSOT, or any other affiliated colleges like we have in Vizag, we have Andhra University, Gayatri Engineering College, MBA. My friends, I'll tell you, all are good institutes. Here there is not much difference. Why I am saying this is, as far as computer science program is concerned, it is only the guidance that we provide to you. Whether you study in IIT or NIT or Geetham or Gayatri or Andhra University, it is you need to come out with your own ideas, implement yourself, and you are going to enjoy the fruits of it. But in other engineering programs, yes, I'm sure that good institutions will help, but computer science is concerned, all the resources are available in the internet. So thanks to the internet, because of the evolution of the internet after 2000, we can able to offer all these specializations. For example, you take cloud computing. I don't know whether how many of you know about what is cloud. And friends, I'll tell you, future is cloud. So we are slowly moving towards a kind of client server based computing to cloud computing. Cloud, you are already started using cloud computing without knowing it. For example, those who are having Gmail accounts, you're already in cloud computing. So you don't know where does your data is going to be stored. See, cloud computing is a service offered by a third party. You are going to pay per use. For example, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. That is called cloud computing. So Amazon is providing cloud services. Google is providing cloud service. So there are millions of services, companies that are providing cloud services. So future is cloud. So now already some of the universities are offering BTech computer science with cloud computing specialization. That is also going to be future. And as you all know, because of digitalization, we are generating huge amount of data. So when data is generated, you need to extract data and extract knowledge by using artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the buzz today is AI ML. What is AI and ML? It's very simple. See, making the machines think like us. And you're already using AI ML techniques like your GPS, which is finding the route, best route to reach the destination. You all know, earlier days we used to pinpoint some of the important points, and we need to reach, through by using a physical map. But now not required. How it is possible? What kind of data structures we are going to use? What kind of techniques we are going to use? So that is the buzz of today, AI/ML. So when we had started using AI/ML, then comes security aspect. You all know the cyber security. So whatever you do in the internet, you need to secure yourself. So the government is taking many initiations to safeguard your data, your banking transactions. So cyber security is going to be one of the key interesting topics for the future. And fourth is Internet of Things. You all know when internet came into picture in 2000, we don't know that we are going to use this much. But today, all the devices can be operated with internet, and that is another specialization where is going to be futuristic. Then there are many emerging technologies, because I don't have space to provide. So in emerging technologies, one of the going to happen in future is augmented reality and virtual reality, AR, VR. So future is AR, VR, and I am damn sure that future you are not going to go to any INOX theater. You are going to watch at home the new release movies through your headset. Similarly, AR, VR, augmented reality and virtual reality is going to provide millions of opportunities to all of us. Why we are all having this many specializations, which will bring comfort to the public, comfort to us. Similarly, in emerging technologies, we are going to have another interesting technology that is called the quantum computing. So today there is an article in Hindu newspaper that by using quantum machine, we can hack the one of the greatest cyber security algorithms. Okay, so what is this quantum computing? Those who are interested in physics, they can dream for going for quantum computing. So what is this quantum computing? Friends, it's very simple. Present computers rely on binary system. Binary means either 0 or 1, positive or negative. But the quantum, you all know quantum physics, the states can be generated infinite states. So not like a binary, you can have n number of states. The quantum number of states, then you can have n number of combinations. So completely a new paradigm is going to be unveiled, and already systems have been built by Google and also IBM. And if once the quantum is going to take over, then completely computer science face will change in next 5 years. Then we may get quantum AI/ML, quantum software engineering, quantum cybersecurity. So there will be a kind of new technologies are going to evolve. It's unimaginable. I'll tell you, that is the reason why the lot of opportunities are going to be created, and you can see a sea of changes in the technology and popular. Next, next.